What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are going to be replacing the battery on this 2012 Volkswagen Jetta. You just need to open the safety. All right, that's in place. Now the battery is pretty easy to access. There's nothing covering it. All right, so we'll remove this battery, and of course we're going to put the new one in. All right, so let's get to it. First, we need a 10mm socket right here, or wrench. All right, so battery is disconnected, and now the only thing we need to do is remove the safety, which is down here, and that is a 13mm, which is right here on the corner. All right, so we loosen up the battery security right there, so this can actually move out the way, and then we'll be able to just lift the battery up. All right, gotta remove it totally. Just make sure that once you insert the new battery, it's actually sitting. There's a small lip right here. So we just insert the new battery on this side first, and then we put the security back on that side. And all we got to do now is just basically put the security back in place. Okay, great. Now the new battery is in place. As you guys can see, the negative is on that side, positive on this side, just like the old battery, positive, negative. All right, so here we'll just remove the black cap from this new battery, and then we'll start connecting all these pieces back together. Red cap from here, we'll go ahead and connect that back together also. And then these are a 10mm. All right, that's it. So we'll start it up and then go for a test drive.